Hello everyone and welcome to our handover to Kyle. We just finished building his Blobeye STi. He brought it into us for a bit more power to try and keep up with the R35s at Santa Pod. Kyle hasn't seen the car yet. He's just seen the power graph and he's delighted with it. We're knocking on the door of 700 horsepower. Damn! Scare a few Skylines and other GTRs away, I think. So without further ado, we'll get to the unveiling. Quick spec list of the car. We put in an EJ22 turbo bottom end, which we've obviously had machined to take 14mm head studs and a nitride crankshaft. We stroked that 2.2 to 2.35. Alongside that, we've bought brand new Spec C JDM cylinder heads, which we've hand ported and polished in-house with larger valves. We've mated that with a Garrett G35 900 turbocharger, obviously on a twisted kit. It's all been thermal-metted to keep the heat in the exhaust where we want it. This car performs absolutely flawlessly on the road. Just discussing the graph with Kyle now, and he said he can't believe the spool and where it comes in, similar to his stock location turbo that we removed when the car arrived. So I think he's eager to drive the car and see how it does perform. So let's get the cover off, shall we?
Yeah.
Pins up already, look.
It's good choice of sun strip as well. I think it's really cool down in the gold.
Are you ready?
Look at that.
We've obviously rotated the intake manifold as per your request. We've put the battery in the boot to allow for a bigger intercooler pipe. Sorted out the fuel system. We've got the Radium 8 injector TGVs with 8 injector Radium fuel rails, twin AEM fuel pumps, the Enginetuner built swirl pot. We're running flex fuel, so Kyle can switch between V-Power, Tesco 99 and methanol. He doesn't have to do anything other than put the methanol in the tank, which we'll show him how to do that in a little bit.
That's good.
Just adding some methanol in so we can bring the percentage of methanol to the petrol up to where it was mapped, give it the full 700. We wanted to show 27 on the gauge. It's just come up to 20 now, is it?
Yeah, just coming up to 20, yeah.
What's your initial thoughts on it then?
Over the moon, really.
Yeah.
It's been a long time. It's been 10 months of waiting, and it seems to be completely worth it, you know.
Definitely.
Waiting till I get out in it, but the graph looks, you know, I can't fault them. The customer service has been really good, and you know, they've always been in contact with us, let us know how it's getting on. So I can't fault it. I just want to get in it and drive it now.
Yeah. What's the story behind the car then?
So I was looking for one of these for a few years, about 10 years ago now. My boy was about 4. Yeah, about 4.
Yeah.
And we spent about a year looking. You got people overpricing them, and we found this one. It was 2 owners from new, 48,000 miles. And I said to the guy at the time, like, what do you want for it? And he was like, he was using it for a mile a day, and he wanted rid of it, so £6,000 took it.
Wow.
Yeah.
A mile a day.
A mile a day, and I said to the boy, I said, should we have it? And the boy was like, yeah, being 4 years old, couldn't really say no.
Yeah.
And that was it, yeah. But where we bought it from was in Essex, but where the car was originally registered is actually where we live now. You didn't know it was a bit weird, but yeah. So I had it 10 years, completely stock standard when I bought it.
Yeah.
You know, it had a Prodrive kit on it, and that was it.
Oh wow.
So everything that's been done, I said, I've done it in stages, done all the handling bits first, and then went for the like 450 horsepower routine, and then got bored of that. And
yeah. So what's your plans with it now?
so ideally, I want to see if I can run a 10-second car. We live near Santa Pod.
Okay.
So I want to see if I can get a 10-second in it. Anything to do with the car wise, it's going to get painted. It's got its blemishes here and there for being 20 years old.
Yeah.
it's getting painted, but really that's about it. 10-second car, I'll keep on hunting until it's a fine line between ruining a road car and getting a drag car. But I'll be happy if I can get anywhere close to that. I'll be happy.
Yeah. So you're going to still use it pretty often, like not just for
Yeah,
runs?
I mean I work 4 on 4 off, so my 4 days off is split between the car and fishing.
Oh, okay, nice. So it's a fishing car.
Smaller, doesn't it?
I've got amp underneath that seat.
I know, yeah.
So it makes you.
Right.
Safety first.
Help me out, I've got very lunchtime traffic. Sounds good, doesn't it? There we go, your turn. What we do, we'll come out here, we'll turn right, and there's traffic light.
It's been a while driving this though.
Yeah. How does it feel?
Feels good. It's good. It's good.
A few moments later.
So how was that?
Immense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah, I wasn't quite expecting it goes like it
It goes
did.
alright, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does, yeah. Yeah, scarily fast sometimes. Yeah. Yeah.
Well done, that's brilliant.
Nah, it's a job well done from the team for sure.
Good.
Yeah, exceeded expectations how well it goes.
Excellent. I enjoy it now, mate.
Yeah.
Hard work's done.
That's it. Yeah.
Look at it in the sun, it's just phenomenal. I don't know, Max, if you can get that flake in there.
Yeah.
Look at that. They should have made them all this colour, to be honest.
It's a nice colour, isn't it?
Brilliant.